Friends, welcome back into this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. In this our 8th video, I'm going to be walking with you guys, showing you something very simple and interesting. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to add your simple one-lines W3CSS. I'm not going to use a lot of my own personal maybe CSS for now, because I want to save time for some sake, and also let you guys know, those of you guys who have never used this W3CSS, to get a chance to do that. Now W3CSS, so you can also just go to my Google and then you W3CSS free download. When you go there, you even get my video on how to download the W3CSS. It will direct you straight through. So when you go to W3CSS free download, you get my video here, and actually guys, I explained to you very well how to download W3CSS. So make sure you go to my YouTube channel, go to Google, and then you just say how to download W3CSS from W3CSS Schools offline version for free. So you guys do that and can get to know how to do that. Otherwise, if this is your first time to watch my video and also you don't know how to do that, and maybe this is going to take a lot of time, let me work with you in just a minute. Just go down here to W3CSS download and click there, and when you do that, it will just take you straight to W3CSS Schools, and then you'll be in the process of download them. So we can either download them, or we can just fetch one as the CDN. We can just get the CDN, or we can download them into our page. Okay, but we can just direct it straight to our CDN. So I may not download it for this video. I may just go down here to pick the CDN, and then I just pick it like this. That's good, but that implies now we need to, for application to work very well, you have to be on internet to do that. Now I just go to my page, because I'm using internet for instance now, because I'm now making you guys this, and when I do that, and I happen to save that there in the page, by the time I refresh the page, I think you can see it has already loaded here, and if I go back on that page here, and I try to just refresh here, it has to change. I think you can see it has changed to W3CSS format, and that's how they add W3CSS. You can also go further and download by just copying up this URL, and then you just click here, you paste that thing there. Oh, sorry, not like that. I said this is it. Copy it like this. Just copy only that stuff like that. Get? So underneath, after you copying up this here, like that, copy it, and that's it. That's what you paste around here, and when you refresh the page and do that, it will take you to this page, and then you just hold save. Just click here, right? Don't highlight anything, please, you'll make a mistake. Just right click and click save. So when you right click and click save too, you can save it anywhere on your PC. You can save it anywhere, like in desktop or anywhere. When I just click there and I say save, I think you can see now I already have it here. So that's how you can download your W3CSS. For you guys who want to use it offline version, and then one of us adding it into the page, you add the same way how you guys have been adding up your own simple HTML. Now I may just go back on the page here, and I just add my simple tags. You can also go back there and I say class. You can create a class and I say W3 minus row. You guys want to use row, blah blah. And then underneath here, you can also create a container. So you can go down there. Remember, I created up the other side a class, so you can also need to create a class here, and I say maybe I can make it 100%. So to leave it 100%, I just want to say W3 minus maybe padding, to have padding there. W3, yes, W3 minus maybe center, for our text to be in the center. And then I'm just going to cut this HTML element of ours, and then I paste it underneath there. That's why I may simply say you can render your HTML inside your Bootstrap, inside your Python like this way, and you have a real complete template. As long as there is one single page, it will work out for you the best way. And then we can even go back on a page here and try to even add some other few things, like maybe I want to change some given background, like maybe teal to that given stuff. And remember, with W3CSS you don't need to add, like maybe trying to say I'm adding up the color. Once you know teal, to just give us a color to be white without wasting time. So that's it for you guys who haven't done that. So if you refresh this page, you have teal added there, and this is not now HTML. This is now, that implies I've joined the Bootstrap, W3CSS, and I've joined it with one as Flask Python, Flask with the Python. So how to get W3CSS plus Flask plus Python? We have 3 joined into the page. You can even go further and do other more big stuffs around for your page if it only was what you want. Yeah, so you can even add this padding to be more big, like by adding that 16. I don't know, you guys, you can always take your time to with your W3CSS and you add that little stuff to add into it. Yeah. So that's it for now. So you guys, you are happy to do that. You can always shift that you want. You can do more designing. My point is just to show you how to connect that stuff and how to break up this little stuffs to come up with what you need. You can also go further to here to do other stuffs around. Maybe I don't know what you guys are looking into, but you can do other more stuffs, like even maybe creating up one mass grid. Let me just realize 1 minute with this very first video. So I can also go back in the page here. I create my simple grid. So this can also be W3 minus row, because I'm going based on another different law. So I can also go back into the page. I can create this one to be maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4. So you have W3 minus quarter. No, just a spelling for quarter for you guys, because I may not be so very good. So I may just use there something simple, and I say maybe something like that. So I may simply say maybe content 1 or section 1. So I'm just going to say, remember quarter with the W3CSS, we need the 4 quarters to get maybe to get 1. So this one section, this is third section, for second section, this is the fourth, third, sorry, and this is the fourth. I can just definitely cut this thing off because we don't need to have it anyway. And I can just press it around my third section, second section around there in the page, and I can just try to organize my content to look like a little bit more organized like that. So if you check the page again and try to refresh if it is okay, I think you can see this is in this very section. This section does not have anything, and when you go on a smartphone, it has like that. So this is a complete W3CSS function which I've added into our Bootstrap, into our Python. But still, that's not the you can use that if at all it's going to be a single web application, or you can actually ignore that by you utilizing upon us the real Python format, Flask format, on how to write a CSS. So you guys, stay tuned. On the next video I'll be showing you how to customize your pages into one real directive, into showing them in the Python format. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you loved this video. It was a complete interesting video, Python with the Flask and then adding one was W3CSS. I think it is awesome. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because stay tuned on the next video. We shall be working with you guys on the next steps to understand how the basic real things are needed to you guys to understand how maybe to make Python Flask application in a simple way. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Thank you.